back to our channel. In this video, we'll show it to you how we're going to save image using camera capture in our laptop with Python 3 and OpenCV. On the previous video, we had discussed and show it to you how we're going to use eye detection. And before the eye detection, we have also show it to you. We upload a video how we're going to detect face. So on this video, we're going to save image using web camera. So how are we going to do that? So let's open our code. So let's minimize this one. Okay, let's open our code and going to discuss it to you. I just made the code a while ago. And first line of code, this is it. Okay, we have the remarks here. We need to import our OpenCV library. So import OpenCV2. And we declare here a variable named vid. And let's visualize 0 cv2.video capture. Okay, so while true, it is a loop statement. So while the video capture is taking place, okay, so I made the remarks here. Capture the video frame by frame. So we declare here this is the format, so ret. So any name of your variable, you could use it here. Okay, so ret. And image, I use image here. So this is we're going to use a variable and just call the vid variable here to read the streaming of our video, okay, and capturing the video. And then cv2.imshow, it is used to display whenever there is an image, whenever we need to capture an object. And this image is called by the declaration of our variable over here, okay. And then we made also another remarks here. Okay, program exit upon pressing letter Q key or Q key on the keyboard. So once we press letter Q, the program will be break or terminated. So it holds the memory location of 0xff, that is the hexadecimal memory location, to quit or to escape or to terminate our program. And once the program will be break, it would save the image in drive D upon quitting. So we use here the method cv2imWrite. This is to save, okay, to write the image. Okay, so we're going to save this in our drive D, and the file name is captured.pix, and its extension name is ping from the image object that should be captured to be captured using our imshow. Okay, and then we also put a remarks here after the loop release the capture object. So we use the vid release. So vid here is a variable we initialize to hold the cv2.video capture at the index 0, and we need to destroy all the windows associated. So whenever we quit, whenever we close our program, so cv2.destroy all windows, okay, to free up those memory that are using. Okay, that's only the simple way how we're going to capture an image and save it in our drive D. If you're going to double check our drive D here, so we cannot see the file name capture.pix.thing here. Okay, so we need to save our picture whenever we capture over here. So we're just going to open this location, and then let's click file, then save, and click run, and then let's run the module. Okay, so that's it. It is now running. Okay, so the camera is opening. So this is our camera. Alright, so if you're going to look upon our code, so this is our camera working. So this is the function of cv2.imshow, okay, displaying this panel using with this camera. But if you're going to press the letter Q, it would exit the program and of course save the image, my image, on the webcam, and it will be saved with a file name captured.pix.png on this location on the drive D. So are we going to do that? So I'm just going to press now letter Q. Let's save it. Okay, the program is closed. I'm just going to close the program, and then this is now the image, okay, that we have captured using our webcam with Python 3 using OpenCV programming language. So that's all. That's how we're going to capture image and save it in drive D in any location we want in using Python 3 and OpenCV. Thank you for watching. See you guys in our next video.